Trial for Christopher Clements is wrapping up. Clements is accused of killing 6-year-old Isabel Celis in 2012. Today, both the prosecution and the defense rested their cases. No cameras have been allowed in the courtroom, but News 4 Tucson's Lupita Murillo was in court all day. She joins us now live from the courthouse with more on what's next. Lupita.
Well, I can tell you that the fate of Christopher Clements is now in the hands of 8 men and 4 women. For the last 10 days, they've been sitting in the jury box listening to testimony, and today they heard closing arguments. Prosecutor Tracy Miller spent nearly an hour telling jurors Christopher Clements and only Christopher Clements is responsible for the murder and kidnapping of Isabel Celis. From calling the Celis residence multiple times prior to the disappearance to mentioning that his cell phone was at Avra Valley and Trico Roads where the remains were found. She said he is the one who led law enforcement there 5 years after Isabel was taken from her bedroom. She also mentioned the folder My Secret app where photos of young girls were scantily dressed, showing his attraction to young girls. Defense attorney Eric Kessler presented his client's side. He told jurors this was one of the worst cases, the most tragic, the most troublesome he's been involved with, and that it would be wrong to convict the wrong person. Kessler also challenged jurors to find one piece of evidence that makes it impossible for someone other than Christopher Clements to have done this, saying if they couldn't, it means there's a real possibility he's not guilty. Clements wants to waive his appearance at the verdict. He wants to go back to Maricopa County for medical reasons. The judge is taking this under advisement. Reporting live from downtown, Lupita Murillo, News 4 Tucson.